Hi, this is Richard C. I'm a math tutor here at Wyzant, and I'm answering a question submitted by a student. This is a classic kind of question from pre-calc involving the double angle formulas, the cosine of 2x and sine 2x. So I'm just going to copy over this problem first. So it's the cosine 2x minus cosine x divided by sine 2x plus sine x. So we're going to use a couple different identities. Put them over here in red. Well, the cosine 2x. There's three different ways to write this. I'm going to choose to write it using this form. It's 2 times the cosine squared x minus 1. But there are three different varieties of this. And the sine of 2x, you'll be happy to know, just has a single variety, which is 2 sine x cosine x. So let's go ahead and use those now. So for cosine of 2x, I'm going to get 2 cosine squared x. I'm going to carry this negative cosine x here, and then stick the 1 in the back there. Okay, so I just replaced cosine 2x with 2 cosine squared x minus 1. And sine of 2x is 2 sine x cosine x plus sine x. Okay, so in the top we're going to factor the numerator here, and I'm just going to set it up to cosine x here, and then cosine x here. And I think you'll see that you want a negative 1 here and a positive 1 here. When you FOIL this out, you're going to get the numerator, 2 cosine squared x minus cosine x minus 1. On the denominator, I'm just going to factor out the sine x. And we're left with 2 cosine x plus 1. And you can see right away that we get some cancellation here. It's very nice. And we're left with cosine x minus 1 over sine x. So let's break that up into two fractions. Be the cosine x over sine x minus 1 over sine x. Okay, and then cosine over sine is the cotangent of x. And 1 over sine is the cosecant of x. And that's it. That's as far as I think you can take it. So it's really just using these double angle formulas here that I put up in red, and a little bit of algebra. And that's what all these problems really boil down to, using some identities that you will have memorized, or maybe you have a generous teacher who will allow you to use a special handout with these formulas, so you don't have to memorize them. But if you're in honors, you'll have to memorize these typically. And it's always a combination of algebra and memorizing the identities. So you are fairly early on. There's a lot more to learn here with identities. So you want to just get some more practice with it and get better at doing this. Okay, well, that's it for today. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.